Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna quickly walk you through that how to upload photos on Instagram without losing quality. So what you need to do first is click on the three dot bar icon right here. After that you have to pretty much go to your settings. You have to click on the top right here. Okay, please watch the full video to solve your problem. So what you need to do next is just scroll down and find an option like this data uses and media quality. Okay, if you click on this you can see here is the option that upload at highest quality in the last option. Okay, here is the option that always upload the highest quality photos and videos even if uploading takes longer. When this is off we automatically adjust photo quality to fit network conditions. Okay, so this is pretty much telling you that if you turn this off your photo, if you upload a photo your photos quality will be loose. So if you turn this on right here upload at highest quality, if you upload some photo it will take a bit longer but your photo will be uploaded in higher quality. Okay, so this is pretty much it. You have to turn this option on. After that you if you upload a your photo will be uploaded in high quality. So this is pretty much it. If you like this video please subscribe this channel. Peace.